Good day, sirs and moms. Another project, another delivery and installation po tayo. This time, dadayo po tayo ng Cavite sa Dasmariñas, kung saan located ang house ni client. Isa-isa na namin binababa ang mga parts ng cabinets na aming i-assemble. Ito ang existing kitchen ni client. At ito naman ang aming proposed design layout for the kitchen cabinet. Hello, good day. Nandito kami ngayon sa project site. No? So, our project ngayon is mag-install ng kitchen cabinet. So, itong existing kitchen ngayon, na isa sa challenge sa project na ito, itong area to, this will be the location for the refrigerator. Kaya lang, nandito yung power panels, which is magiging obstruction refrigerator. In case na meron tayong kailangan gawing troubleshooting dito sa control panel. So, abangan nyo yan dahil gagawa namin ito ng solusyon kung paano namin ito ma-access kahit na nandito ang refrigerator. As a contractor, every minute counts. So, hindi na kami nag-aksaya ng oras at inumpisahan na agad namin mag-assemble ng base cabinets. Getting ready na to install the hanging cabinet. Ginamitan namin ito ng laser level to use the laser line as our guide and to make sure na straight and square ang position ng cabinets. Attention to details and quality of work ang aming pinagmamalaki sa trabaho because our top priority is the client's satisfaction. Finishing touches na lang kami at malapit na kami matapos. Time to remove now the protective film and final the door cabinets alignment. We are now done. Konting punas para lumabas ang gloss ng cabinets. At kailangan din muna maglinis ng kalat sa buong paligid. This is the moment of truth. Ilalagay na namin sa pwesto ang refrigerator. This is now the finished product. So thank you for watching. Sana naki-inspire ang video ito sa inyo. Thank you and God bless. Alright.